With the first freeze of the year officially here, there's no better time to start insulating the garage, which is the main focus of week 211. Welcome to week 211. It's cold outside, which is the perfect time for this insulation delivery to arrive. I ordered 2 pallets of R15 rockwool, which is more than I'll need for the garage, but the extra can be used in the basement, and this way I won't run out in the garage. Before installing insulation, I add blocking to all the walls I may eventually want to install cabinets on. This blocking is for 36-inch tall cabinets that start at a standard height of 54 inches. This allows for 36-inch high countertops with an 18-inch backsplash. After a few hours of blocking, I can start installing this insulation. Unfortunately for you, I apparently don't know how to work a camera, and so this first segment is out of frame. On Sunday, Daya and I take a trip to the Yaya farm in Longmont to buy some apples and some preserves. The Yaya farm just happens to be the childhood farm of my dad, so it's always nice to visit and see what's new. On Monday, I'm cracking on with the insulation. It's amazing how much sound the exposed insulation absorbs, making the garage feel more like a voice recording studio than a workshop. On Tuesday, I finished installing the remaining rockwool insulation, which is a great place to end the week. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, happy renovating.